Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming two things. The lookup column sits to the left of the return column, and your ranges are fixed with $ or named ranges. Next, choose match type, 0 for exact match when keys must match perfectly, 1 for approximate when data is sorted. Once done, write the match first to identify row number. This prevents errors and makes debugging easier. This approach separates identification from retrieval, so you control how the index pulls the correct cell. You now construct match to return a row. Match A2 $A0 finds the exact position of a 2 in column A. Then plug that result into index like index, $B, matched row to fetch the corresponding value from column B. Use absolute references to lock ranges when copying formulas across sheets. Once built, test with a known key and a missing key to confirm behavior. This order isolates errors and clarifies why results match or fail. You finish by copying the nested index match formula across your target cells and locking ranges so copying behaves predictably. Make sure cell formats match. Text versus numbers often causes failures, so normalize with value or text when needed. If results show hash and /a, use IFER to provide a friendly message. If wrong rows appear, verify the match type and sorting. One quick troubleshooting tip: trim spaces and check data types. Most errors stem from mismatched formatting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.